गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का हॉट क्वेश्चन देखा था। ओके, अब हम लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल से, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ढूंढ के लाया मैंने इसे। दिस क्वेश्चन is out of textbook question. This is asked for 4 marks. Okay, this is also hot question. See, solve the following simultaneous equation. Okay, what is the simultaneous equation here? Ax plus by equal to a minus b, and second is bx equal to ay plus a plus b. Okay, see, first of all we have to solve these two simultaneous equations, and we know that simultaneous equations can be solved by different methods, but in 10th standard we have to solve this one by Cramer's rule, very easy method. Okay, Cramer's rule method. Okay, that is गाड़ी number 12 32 13. Okay, see, ax plus by equal to a minus b. This is the given equation. Ax plus by equal to a minus b, equation 1. What is the equation 2? Dx equal to ay plus a plus b. Okay, we can write this one like this: bx minus ay equal to a plus b, equation 2. See, bx minus ay equal to a plus b, ax plus by equal to a minus b. Okay, see, now we have to solve these two equations by Cramer's rule, and we know गाड़ी नंबर 12 32 13, गाड़ी नंबर 12 32 13 इस रूल से सॉल्व करेंगे। गाड़ी नंबर 12 32 13, 12 का मतलब है फर्स्ट रो, दिस इज 12, दिस इज फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ डी, 32 dx एंड 13 dy के लिए, 12 d के लिए, 32 dx के लिए, और dy 13 dy फाइंड आउट करने के लिए। ओके, चलो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड, नाउ वी हैव फर्स्ट d इक्वल टू, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ d? d 12 मीन्स first row. See here, what is 12? First row and second row, sorry, first column and second column. First column, see, first column coefficient of first column a b, 12 means 2, second, and here coefficient of y, coefficient of y. Okay, see, 12 means a b, okay, plus b minus a, plus b minus a. Okay, this is for d, 12 means 12 means what? This is first column, correct? This is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. Okay, in first column coefficient of x, a and b, second column coefficient of y, b and minus a, third constant terms a plus b, a minus b. Okay, therefore for finding out the value of d we have to use number 12. Therefore means first column, second column, third column. 12 means first column a b, 2 b minus a, b minus a. Okay, now you solve this one, you will get a minus a multiply by minus a multiply by minus a, minus b multiply by b multiply by b. What is here? A into minus a, minus a square, minus b into b, minus b square. Therefore minus common, minus a square plus b square. This is the value of d. Now what is to find out? Dx. Now dx, now we have to find dx. What is dx? To find out the dx, what is the value of dx? which number to be used to find the value of dx? see here 12 32 32 का मतलब first third column then second column. Okay, what is third column? a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. Okay, then third 32 second b minus a, b minus a, c. Okay, solve this. Minus a into a minus b, minus a into a minus b, minus b into a plus b, b a plus b. Okay, see, solve this one. Minus a into a, minus a square, minus a into minus b plus ab, minus b into a minus ab, minus b plus b minus b square. Okay, minus ab plus ab cancel out, then you will get remain only minus a square minus b square, minus again common term, see here minus common in bracket a square plus b square. Okay, see d dx. Now we have to find dy. गाड़ी नंबर 12 हो गया, 32 हो गया, अब 13. नाउ dy इक्वल टू 13 का मतलब फर्स्ट कॉलम थर्ड कॉलम. फर्स्ट कॉलम ए बी 13. थर्ड कॉलम ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी, दैट इज इक्वल टू. सी नाउ सॉल्व दिस वन. a into a plus b, a plus b minus b into a minus b, b a minus b. Okay, solve this one. a into a plus b, a square plus ab, minus b into a minus ab, minus minus plus b square. Okay, again here also a plus b, a minus b cancel out, you will remain only a square plus b square. See students, now we have the three values of first value of d, dx and dy. Now we have to find the values of x and y by Cramer's rule. We know by Cramer's rule, by Cramer's rule, by Cramer's rule, what is x equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. देखो फ्रेंड्स, x equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d. Therefore, see what is the value of dx. See, therefore x equal to, what is the value of dx? dx minus in bracket a square plus b square. See, dx minus a square plus b square whole divided by upon d. What is d? Minus this also same, minus a square plus b square, minus a square plus b square. Okay, this will be cancelled out. Therefore the value of x is nothing but 1. Therefore value of x 1. Now value of y equal to dy upon d. What is dy here? A square plus b square, a square plus b square whole divided by d. What is d here? What is d? Minus a square plus b square, minus a square plus b square. This also cancel out. Here cancel out means 1 upon minus 1 plus minus minus. Okay, see here remains 1 upon minus 1. Same part is cancel, means a square plus ab square, 1 the a square plus ab square. Same term cancel out. Here 1 upon minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. Therefore final answer x comma y, that is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Okay. See, this is best and most important one question. Question is very easy. Okay. दिखने में अलग सा है क्योंकि ये जनरल फॉर्म में दिया है इसलिए अलग सा लगता है, लेकिन सॉल्व करते समय बहुत इजी है। ओके, ये मैंने क्रैमर्स रूल से आपको बताया है। आप इसको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके, इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएबल्स से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे ये सही लगा, अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैंने इसी पे फोकस किया। देखो फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ, ax plus by equal to a minus b, equation 1. Second is given bx equal to ay plus a plus b. Okay, you write this equation in its general form. What is the general form of linear equation in two variable? It is x plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, see, ax means x term, then y term equal to constant term. Okay, then by we have to solve by Cramer's rule. Therefore, we have to find first the value of d. D equal to 12 number a b plus b minus a plus b minus a. Then you will get minus a square plus b square, like that. dx equal to at number 32 मतलब third, then second, third a minus b a plus b a minus b a plus b, then second b minus a b minus a. ओके, और ध्यान में रखो, आपको जब आप गाड़ी नंबर 12-32 मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे, आपको इधर नंबरिंग नहीं देना है। हाँ, पेंसिल से लिखे, एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व होने के बाद आप उसको रफ कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पेंसिल से लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन पेन से नहीं लिखने का। ओके, ये समझ में आ रहा है? Therefore, by Cramer's rule, we can find x equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d. Okay, then you solve this one, then you will get, okay, यानी खोदा पहाड़ और निकला चूहा, 1 and -1. Okay, now next example in the next lecture. Okay, और हाँ, सभी ने मेरे पहले फर्स्ट वीडियो को लाइक किया, सब्सक्राइब किया, इसलिए सबका, सभी स्टूडेंट्स का, पेरेंट्स का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू।